Hydrogen, the universe's lightest element, essential for water and life. Helium, the lightest noble gas, lighter than air and non-flammable. Lithium, soft metal, key to batteries and high oxidation power. Beryllium, found in aquamarine and emerald, but highly toxic. Boron, produces green flames used in magnets and cleaning products. Carbon can exist in various forms such as coal, graphite, and diamond. Nitrogen can exist in various forms such as coal, graphite, and diamond. Oxygen, 70% of air, liquid at -196 degrees Celsius. Inhaling nitrogen dioxide can cause dizziness. Fluorine, the most reactive element, ignites instantly, handled with extreme care. Neon glows red-orange with electricity used in signs and lighting. Sodium, found in oceans, reacts with water, key component of table salt. Magnesium, flammable in powder form, use sand to extinguish fires. Aluminium, lightweight and strong, used in cans, cars, and planes. Silicon, essential for microchips, solar cells, and electronics. Phosphorus, 3 forms in nature: red for matches, white for bombs, black for electronics. Sulfur, used in gunpowder, causes acid rain, highly toxic. Chlorine, irritates eyes and sinus, treats water, form a chemical weapon. Argon means inactive, used in bulbs and fire extinguishers. Potassium, burns with a violet flame, essential for plant growth. Calcium, builds bones, excess harms muscles, most abundant mineral in humans. Scandium, rumored to give baseball bats extreme hitting power. Titanium, hypoallergenic metal, perfect for body piercings, jewelry, and medical implants. Vanadium, hardens steel 10 times, critical for tools, jet engines, and batteries. Chromium, electroplated as a final layer for mirror-like shine, chrome plating. Manganese, ancient pigment, modern metal but toxic to neurons. Iron, the rust-prone titan we literally can't live without. Cobalt, a magnetic beast, supercharges batteries, terrifies miners. Nickel, its name means devil's copper, turns glass haunting green. Copper, nature's best electrical conductor, the red metal wiring our world. Zinc, bluish-grey, brittle, but steel's rust-proof shield, galvanization. Gallium, melts at 29.8 degrees Celsius, the secret source behind LEDs, lasers, and microchips. Germanium, semiconductor, pioneered early transistors, now key in fiber optics, IR tech. Arsenic, rat poison's star ingredient, infamous for historical assassinations. Selenium, causes blind staggers in livestock, used in anti-dandruff shampoos. Bromine, the only liquid non-metal at room temp, alongside mercury. Krypton, famous as Superman's planet, but in reality it's used in fluorescent lamps. Rubidium, name means red, explodes in water, igniting hydrogen. Strontium, the crimson magic behind fireworks named after Scotland's Strontian village. Yttrium, once thought magical, now powers laser and superconductors. Zirconium, hexagonal crystals rival diamond's toughness, ideal for reactors and implants. Niobium, named after Niobe Greek myth, vital for vacuums and atom smashers. Molybdenum, drills, saws, turbines rely on its ultra-hard alloys. Technetium, first synthetic element, TC99M scans bone tumors. Ruthenium, creates gothic black hues in platinum alloy jewelry. Rhodium, shiny but kills with its dust. It hardens platinum for jewels and furnace coils. Palladium, named after Pallas Athena, neutralizes car exhaust toxins. Silver, the best conductor of all metals, used in jewelry and mirrors. Cadmium, found in dyes but used in Ni-seed batteries, 75%. Indium, emits a high-pitched cry when bent, soft enough to bite but powers LCD screens. Tin, silvery grey and rust-proof, used for bronze and solder. Antimony, Egypt's eyeliner, now hardens lead bullets. It is a brittle and toxic metal. Tellurium, rotten garlic stench used in pesticides and CD/DVD reflective layers. Iodine. When heated, it gives of a purple gas. It is used to clean wounds. Xenon. Powers camera flashes, ion thrusters in satellites, and laser beams. Cesium. Explodes in water, most reactive alkali metal, liquid at room temp. Barium. Ignites in air, explodes in water. Carbonate form is used as rat poison. Lanthanum, malleable rare earth metal used in cinema projectors for ultra-bright illumination. Cerium, prevents baked-on gunk in self-cleaning ovens, cerium oxide coatings. Praseodymium, named from Greek green plus twin, key alloying agent in neodymium iron boron magnets. Neodymium glass appears lavender in sunlight and pale blue under fluorescent light. Promethium, named after fire thief Prometheus, powers satellites with atomic heat. Samarium, have yellow-pink compounds. SMKO magnets in guitar pickups deliver crisp sound. Europium, Europe's namesake, powers vibrant reds in TV/PC screens. Gadolinium, a neutron-absorbing shield used in nuclear reactors and magnetic cooling. Terbium, the secret behind your screen green glow and high-tech lasers. Dysprosium, name means hard to get, resists oxidation, perfect for high-performance magnets. Holmium, named after Stockholm, Ho2O3, lemon yellow solid, Hochul3, fiery orange in solution. Erbium, tints glass cotton candy pink, creates pink cubic zirconia for gemstones. Thulium, rarest rare earth metal, TEM170 X-ray devices might detect counterfeit money. Ytterbium, named after Ytterby, Sweden, the atomic metronome tuning quantum tech. Lutetium, originally Cassiopeum, later renamed for lutetium to honor French scientists. Hafnium, zirconium's almost identical chemical cousin, a shiny hexagonal crystal metal. Tantalum, named after Tantalus, corrosion-proof for surgical tools and hip implants. Tungsten, called wolfram in Europe, tungsten, Swedish heavy stone elsewhere. Rhenium, critical for jet rocket engines. Re-PT catalysts create high-octane gasoline. Osmium, name means smell, pen tips and watch bearings last decades. Iridium, asteroid-originated, hard yet brittle metal used in high-precision compasses. Platinum, silvery white and corrosion-proof, 76 tons per year go to jewelry. Gold, humanity's oldest obsession, used as jewelry and symbols since ancient times. Mercury, discovered in ancient Greece, a neurotoxic element liquid at room temperature. Thallium, constantly oxidizes, used in IR detectors and night vision systems. Lead, accumulates in air, water and soil, causing irreversible brain damage. Bismuth, used in cosmetics, the most diamagnetic and only non-toxic heavy metal. Polonium, a deadly poison, radioactive, rare and untraceable until too late. Astatine, one of Earth's rarest elements, with a fleeting 8.3-hour half-life. Radon, a colorless, odorless gas formed from uranium, radium decay. Francium, radioactivity, most unstable alkali metal, zero practical use, too rare and vololite. Radium, densest alkaline earth metal, violently radioactive, alpha, beta and gamma. Actinium, name from Greek actis, ray, glows blue from radioactivity. Thorium, thorium was used in toothpaste before its radioactivity was discovered. Protactinium, rarest and most expensive natural, only microgram quantities are ever handled. Uranium, humanity's most powerful energy source and most destructive weapon in one element. Neptunium, synthesized by bombarding U-238 with neutrons. NP-237 is the best known. Plutonium, created by neutron bombardment of U-238 in 1940. Americium, Am-241's alpha particles ionize air to sense smoke. Curium, named after the Curies for their radioactivity breakthroughs. Berkelium, named after Berkeley, California, honoring its birthplace, allotrope duo alpha BK and beta BK. Californium, synthesized at UC Berkeley's Radiation Lab, 1950, named after California. Einsteinium, named after Albert Einstein, a synthetic element born in thermonuclear explosions. Fermium, discovered in 1952 Pacific fallout, named after Enrico Fermi. Mendelevium, synthesized by bombarding S-253 with alpha particles, named after Dmitry Mendeleev. Nobelium, named after Alfred Nobel, inventor of dynamite and founder of the Nobel Prizes. Lawrencium, named after Ernest O. Lawrence, inventor of the cyclotron. Rutherfordium, named after Ernest Rutherford, the discoverer of the atomic nucleus. Dubnium, named after Dubna, Russia, home of GNR, where it was synthesized. Seaborgium, first and only element named after a living scientist, Glenn T. Seaborg. Bohrium honors Niels Bohr, pioneer of atomic structure, predicted to be silvery gray. Hassium, named after Hesse, Germany, home of GSI Lab. Meitnerium, it's named after the Austrian physicist Lise Meitner, who discovered nuclear fission. Darmstadtium, synthesized at the GSI Helmholtz Center, Darmstadt, named after the city. Roentgenium, named after Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen, the German physicist who discovered X-rays. Copernicium, named after Nicolaus Copernicus, the founder of the heliocentric model of the universe. Nihonium, named after the local name of Japan, Nihon, first element discovered and named in Asia. Flerovium, named after Soviet nuclear physicist Georgy Flerov. Moscovium, named after Moscow Oblast, the region where the Dubna Institute is located. Livermorium, it was named Livermorium in honor of the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory. Tennessine, it is electrically conductive, named after the state of Tennessee, home to ORNL. Oganesson is a transactinide named after Yuri Oganessian, a researcher in super-heavy elements. Craving more science in your life? Tap a video, hit subscribe, and stay curious, where science meets the news every day, right here on BioSci News.